welcome to my channel, Mary Bourne ND and Gardening with Granny. And today, yes, we're going to talk about gardening. As you can see, there is snow all around me and it's currently 14 degrees. But we're going to talk gardening. Currently, this is what my green stalks look like. Can't garden there. My deck is covered with snow. Everything is covered with snow, even the lake. But I think it's beautiful. I've been collecting jugs for our winter sowing. That's part of the gardening, but not in this video. I've been saving seeds. And that is partly what is going to be in this video. Have you been receiving catalogs? I love to dream through the catalogs, see what's new. But sometimes it can be overwhelming. Do you save seeds? You know I do. Do you get seeds? Do you buy seeds? You know I do. But you know what? It's January. And the first thing I do in January is I go through my calendar and I mark the last frost date for my area. We have to wait until May. But that's okay, because in the meantime, we can plan and we can do some interesting work, which this video is all about. We want to experiment with some seeds. Now, last year I tried sowing black poppy, black swan poppy, and I have seen other people just take the poppy seeds and strew it on the snow, and apparently they had good luck with that. Well, I did that. I didn't have any luck at all. Not one poppy came out of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the very few seeds I have left of this, and I'm going to do the paper towel method. So come along with me while I put my black swan poppy seeds into a wet paper towel. So here I have my black swan poppies, and we'll see by opening up very carefully exactly how many seeds I have left. When I got the package, there were 500. But as I mentioned, last year I tried broadcasting them in the snow. And it looks like I have a very few. I don't think you can see them. Oh, excuse me. Well, this will be an experiment for sure. You know that poppy seeds are very small anyway. And we're going to try and use every last one of them that I find in this package. And we're going to see if they will sprout. That's the main thing here. So this is a damp paper towel. I don't think you can see me from here. This is a damp paper towel. And I now have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seeds on here. I'm going to fold it in half like that. And then we're going to put it in a plastic bag. We're going to label it, what it is, and the date that we started it. Now it says that germination takes 14 to 28 days. So we will check back weekly, see if we have any germination. And if we do, it's going to be fun. So stick with me and let's see what happens with our Black Swan poppy seeds.